Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we are going to talk about the top features of the Boat Rockers 255 Bluetooth earphones. These earphones fit right around your neck and offer IPX7 water resistance for sweat resistance, which makes it ideal for workouts. Then you have battery life up to 8 hours and it supports CVC noise cancellation, which works quite effectively. So let's get started with the top features of these earphones. So as you can see over here, the Rockers 255, they've got this on the neck here kind of earphones. So as you can see over here, they fit in like this, and you have this magnetic clasp. So this makes sure that whenever you're not using the earbuds, you can just connect them like this, and it works quite effectively so that they just stay still like this and they don't move around, which kind of becomes quite of discerning. So then in addition to this, you have these earbuds over here. They plug in like this over here comfortably. So you just have to wear it like this, and they fit quite snugly into the ears, and you get quite a good comfort. And the CVC noise cancellation means that the overall ambient sound noise is absolutely blocked, and this way what you get is a pleasant voice experience. In addition to this, it has a microphone which supports built-in voice calling. So you have Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity which pairs with Android or iOS smartphone. So let's say if you have any issues while pairing, what you can just do is you head over to phone setting, and you will see this earbuds over there. You just tap on it and you get the pairing done, and then you'll hear a sound on these earbuds when you're wearing them, and when you hear that, then the pairing is done. In terms of battery life, since it's not very big in size, what you get is 8 hours of battery life with a single charge, and during our usage we found that 4 to 5 hours is something that it's easily able to deliver, and that's quite decent if you ask me for this price range. IPX7 water resistance means you can easily wear it for your workouts and outdoor trekking and stuff, and even if water splashes or sweat splashes on this, it will be having no any kind of damage, and that's a good thing to have. The battery life is supported along with this micro USB port over here, and you get micro USB cable inside the box, so you can just take out them out, and one part of the USB goes into a power source or a power bank, and the other micro USB point goes over here in this port over here, and you can start charging, and the charging is quickly done, and you will be notified when it's done, and you will be able to start using them all over again. In terms of drivers, now it's got these very small size drivers in them. 10mm drivers is what Boats is offering with this, and we feel that for this size, dimension, and overall quality and its effectiveness, it's quite decent, and in this price range, it's something that you can clearly ask for. So these neckband earphones, they pretty much cover up all the essentials that you need in this price range. You have this, and you have this magnetic clasp, which is a neat touch. Whenever you're not using them, you just attach them over here like this, and they still stay still like this over there whenever you need. In terms of the earbuds and the comfort, you have this tip over here which comfortably lines it over here, and the buds are quite comfortable. You have different kind of buds options inside the box. You can try out different sizes depending on what was comfortably for you. IPX7 water resistance means you can easily use it while working out without any issues, and you get 8 hours of battery life, which is quite decent for the size and dimensions of these earphones. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.